receipts and paperwork piling up, you're probably procrastinating in doing your bookkeeping. Why is this a problem? Delaying your bookkeeping can turn a small task into a big mess and make it hard to understand your business financial health. When you delay, you risk missing important details, making errors, and facing stressful crunch time. If you're doing your own bookkeeping, consistency is the key to staying on top of your finances. Set aside a time for it, or you can always hire someone to do it for you. That way, you spend your time on things that helps you grow your business, also reducing risk, staying on top of your financial records, and reducing stress. Accurate and timely bookkeeping can be a key into growing your business. Don't delay your success. Like, follow for more bookkeeping tips, or if you need help, you can check the comments to book a call.